Hi there. So here we are again with Take a Stitch Tuesday, and I don't know if you can see my line. I drew in a line and it's sort of slanty. Doesn't matter. This week we're going to do a back stitch. So I'm going to start on the right hand side, about one stitch ahead of where I want to start my line of stitching. We're going to go back one stitch and then go forward 2 stitches. And I'm taking really big stitches so you can see. And I have 6 strands of embroidery floss, just so that you can see. We're going to go back 1 stitch and forward 2 stitches. And again, we'll go back 1 stitch and forward 2 stitches. So this stitch is good for doing lettering, because it gives you nice even lines of lettering. Or if you're going to sew a seam into something, you don't want to do just a running stitch. This, you do like 2 or 3 running stitches and then do 1 back stitch. It sort of locks it in. But yeah. And I don't have any tips for getting this straight other than to draw a line. And of course, practice. Any art practice, you just do more and more of it and you'll get better. And same with stitching, you just do more and more of it and you get better and better. Same with painting, you do more and more of it and you get better. And apparently it's the same thing with videos. If you do more and more of them, you get better. And I have to be honest, I can't wait for that to happen, because I feel like, I don't know, I need to learn how to edit videos too, because right now I don't know how to edit videos, and if I say stupid things or burp, we're just going to go on. So here I'm almost at the end of my back stitch line of stitching. And here at the end, I'm just going to take 1 stitch back and then end off on the back, kind of curved up there. And what I'm going to do on the back is I'm just going to take a little tiny stitch in just the back cloth. Another one going in the opposite direction. Makes sort of a crisscross. And then I'll cut that off camera because I neglected to bring scissors. So there we go. There's my, I don't know if you can see my little kitty butt. Anyways, have a great day. Bye.